So good day sir, good day classmates. I am John Roy Sumagingon and I am part of the group 3 reporters, and my assigned topic is all about the social structure theory. So social structure theory of criminology asserts that crime is caused by social factors and the dynamics of class and economic struggles that participate in the creation of crime. So this theory suggests that economic struggle is one of the principles in the creation of crime. So naka-state diri nga mas taas og chances nga ma-involve og crime ang usa ka tawo if kanang pobre bitaw sila, kanang walang na jud sila ba in terms sa money, foods o uban pa. So naka-state po diri nga an individual who grew up in a poverty may be more likely to engage in criminal activity. So ngano daay nga ma-involve man sila criminal activity? Natay duha ka mga reasons nga ma-involve og criminal activity ang usa ka poverty. First, we have due to limited access to resources and opportunity. And second, kanang social inequality, kanang unequal ang distribution sa resources and opportunity among different groups in a society. So these instances mo na siya mag-lead to feeling frustration, strain, then mo na din magkuan nga makakommit og crime ang usa ka tawo. So social structure theory or theories focused on poverty, a lack of education, and lack of marketable skills, and the prevalence of subculture values and fundamental causes of crime. So naka-state diri nga mas possible daw nga makakommit og crime ang isa ka tawo if uneducated, walay trabaho, if ever naaman galing trabaho pero kanang kulang sa sweldo, gamay og sweldo, kumbaga dili bitaw sila makasabay sa pag-improve sa isa ka community o sa ilang quality of life kay lack of economic development man sila. So mas taas og chances nga makakommit sila og crime. So next, this theory suggests that people, places in the socio-economic structure influence their chances of becoming criminal. More people are more likely to commit crimes because they are unable to achieve monetary or social success in any other way. So, kini nga theory is naka-focus jud sa mga poor people. Katudang walang-wala na jud sila, kumbaga isang kahig, isang toka, kay if ever naa sila gusto or gusto nila na nga butang, dili man dayon na nila makuha nga butang kay lack of economic development pan sila. So in a way nga mangawat sila or manulis baka sila aron makuha to nila nga butang, ma-achieve nila to nga ilang gusto. Kumbaga, ang criminal activity kay mo siya viable means of achieving their needs and wants of economic stability. Og mao to sir, thank you.